The paint is a little bit thick, so I'm not sure if I spun off enough paint. I will just see how this one dries up, because there's probably a little bit too much paint in the middle, because it was very difficult actually layering those, but it turned out really great. So if it dries like that, then it would be awesome. Let me know your thoughts. I like it. It's very different and the colors are all in. The light blue is the sky, and then we have here all the mountains and hills, and then here we have the whole flag layered in the right combination. So it's almost dry in the middle, it's still wet. I for myself love it and how it turned out. The white has to be so the colors won't get moody, like brown or green, dirty greenish. So you always have to have some white in between. Otherwise you won't recognize the flags, because for example then here we would have also some green, blue and yellow. Or if I wouldn't have used here some white, we would have then purple. Or here red and green, we would have some brown, where we want to have only the brown and gold over here, the gray with the mountains, and also the dark gray as a contrast. So yeah, for example, also here the dark gray and blue, if I wouldn't go with white in between, it would turn also brown. That way we have now really the contrast of all the colors from the Tibetan flag: the red, the green, the yellow, the dark blue, the premier blue, the light blue is the sky, to separate the flag from the landscape colors. I love it, but yeah, if you're not happy about it, then I can't really change it, because there's no really other way to do that, actually. I have to work with the white, otherwise we wouldn't have such a clear idea of the colors that were provided in your pictures.